Hello guys, welcome to yet another new session of Rutuja Ki Pathshala. Myself Rutuja Nidwan and welcome to my YouTube channel Rutuja Ki Pathshala. So in the previous lecture we have seen regarding the clauses, what are the types of clauses and all. Today we are going to have a look on one of that type of clause, that is group by clause. Earlier we have seen where clause and other clauses as well. Now today we are going to see the group by clause. What is group by clause, where it is used, how to implement it, why it is needed to use group by clause and all, what is the scenario, all these things we are going to explain, we are going to see in detail guys today in this lecture. Okay, as you can see on my screen there is a group by clause written. Okay, now let's take one, let's fetch one of the table of my date which is present in my database, that is select star from my table name is toys underscore details. Okay, I want to fetch this table. Okay, and just select this piece of code and hit the execute button. So see, as you can see on the screen there is a toys underscore id, toy name, city, country, all these names are present, and this is the details which is present inside the table named as toys underscore details. Now I want to see where the group clause and all. So I would like to tell you guys, whenever there is aggregate function present in your code piece of code and some other column is present also with that, at that time the group by clause comes into picture. Now how what I am talking about, let's have a look with one of example. So now we will see, like we will do like select count of, we need the count of toy id. Okay, underscore id, and with respect to country. Okay, from table name is toys details. Now as you can see guys, in my piece of code the count is an aggregate function. There are many types of aggregate function. What is it, how we are going to use it, we are going to see in the further lecture very soon. So now let's have a look here. This is the aggregate function named as count. There are many, mean, max, average and all. Now we have used count function. So count is an aggregate function. Whenever there is any type of the column which is present with the aggregate function, at that time the group by clause comes into picture. When here you have to just like group by, and whatever the column name is present beside this aggregate function, you just need to write that column name after the group by. Means the code is very simple. See how it is simple. As firstly we were doing like select star from table name. Now when we are going to use the group by clause, at that time what you have to do, select, then aggregate function, whatever you need to as per the requirement of the client or your manager, or as per the requirement of the database, you need to use that clause, and after that comma, country name, that is column name, other column name as per the requirement from table name. Okay, now whatever the column name is present extra with the aggregate function, that column you have to write, that column name you have to write here after the table's name, that is from toys details table name, group by, and that present write that column again. Okay, and just select this piece of code and hit the execute button. See what you're going to see now. See guys, what you're going to see. So as I've written that count of toy id, this is the column, that's count of toy id, and this is with respect to country. So the toy which is present in the country of Australia is only 1. Then Bangladesh is only 2. Then in the Bhutan there are 2 toys present which is having the same toy ID. Then in Brazil 1, and Germany 1, and Indonesia 2. Okay, how you can see? See, if I do this, select star from table name. See, Germany is having 1 toy Pikachu in toy ID 11. Indonesia is having toy ID 12. Shinchan is the toy name. Then Brazil is having Doraemon 13th, that is toy ID. Then 14, then 15, then 16 is repeated again twice, and again 12 is repeated twice. So whichever is repeated, that this piece of code has given us that answer. I will, if you need it, I will run this both of code simultaneously. See, now what I have done, that's count of toy ID. So 1, that is Australia. Australia is the country, and here you can see only toy ID 1, that is 15. No 15 is repeated, that is only 1. Now here I can see 2 is in the Bhutan. So see, when you are there in the Bhutan, just have a look, that toy ID 16 is repeated twice. That's why here given it is 2, because we have used the aggregate function count of toy ID. So it is just counting the toy and with respect to that it is giving you the country name. Okay, so this is the piece of code, and in this way the group by clause is used, where you need to use it and how you need to use it. I have explained it here in a piece of code. Okay, so that's all today. That's all for the today's lecture, guys. In the coming lecture we are going to have a look on the having clause, how it is used and why we need to use it and all. And in the for further lectures we are going to see very soon the aggregate functions which is present into the SQL server. Guys, if you find any kind of improvement into my lecture, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely work on it. If you find any kind of difficulty at your end just while executing this command, please write down into the comment section. I will definitely help you out. And if you like my channel, if you like my video, please go to my channel, then click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so that you will get the notification of each and every video that I am posting on my channel, and you will get every detail very soon, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.